we're gonna do a Hollow Knight Charm tier list. First we have Dream Wielder, which is so good. I'll put an Arceus. It doubles the amount of soul you get from striking enemies with Dream Nail and oh yeah, and this is for traveling. And it also increases the speed you you use it. Please no. Actually, this is pretty good. I'm gonna put it in maybe. This is I guess I'll put it okay. Please don't use this. Only use it in dream fights. Alright, what should he go there too? Unless he plays you, so those are gonna be an Arceus dad. Glowing Wound. Please no, bro. Please no. Heavy Blow. That's actually pretty good. I'll put it in okay. King Soul. That didn't help. Micro Pie, that's really good. Because if you want to play safe, I'll put that in maybe. Shaman Stone. Okay. Shape One, yes. The Infinite Arceus is dead. All healing charms go up here, bro. All healing charms. City Body, that I don't really like that. And so, yes. Yes. Late game is really good, so I'm putting Arceus. You could combine this with Grub Song, it's really good. But I'm gonna put this in Health. Only does 3 damage. And Life Force Clore, that's good for bosses. Water Shot, please no. Or please no. Carefree Melody. And remember, you can choose Max Out Groom Child or Carefree Melody. Dash Master, that's really good for travel. But it's a little annoying, so I'm gonna put that down on Arceus' Deep Focus. Nope. Fence Grass. Mess. Nope. Only for guiding, but I'll put that in maybe, but you gotta be careful. Fear the Fawn, please, no dude. Hive Blood. It could actually be useful, so I'll put it in decent. if you're just going and you just want to collect some Geo while you're going, it's really good. Maybe. For bosses, so this charm is made for Radiant bosses. Grub Song is so good. No, that goes in Arceus' dad. Please. 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 And Long Nail, that's really good, just like Mercury. No, this is already there. Whatever. Quick Focus. Combine those components and Deep Focus. Boom. You just got normal focus that heals for two masks. Please. Just kidding. That goes in Health. Sharp Shower. That goes in maybe. Soul Catcher. Not as good as Soul Eater, so that goes in maybe. Fortune. That goes there. Spitmaster. That goes in Arceus. Combine the two. It's better. You can room because you want to dash. It's better, in my opinion. And Steady Body. Oh, that's already up there. Thornback. I guess I'll put it decent. Perfect. It's Unbreakable. I think this Unbreakable is so good. It lets you collect your shade for within one hit, and it doesn't attack you, which is pretty good. So that goes in decent because, yeah, Weird Compass. That's that's the tier list for exploring.